What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have another 2026 Tesla Model Y, and we're going to be doing a full ceramic tint. We're going to be doing PPF on the headlights and light bar, the mirrors. We're going to be doing the door edges, the door handles, and the rear tail light there. And then we're also going to ceramic coat this white interior to keep it looking nice and fresh for a long time and make it super resistant to staining. So let's go ahead and make this Tesla Model Y look amazing. And right here, I'm just doing some compound. The customer got backed into like the first day he bought his brand new Tesla. So I was able to restore it all and bring it back to new condition. You can't even tell that this vehicle ever had a scratch on it or that it was backed into. Really happy with how this came out, and the customer was too. And I like to start with the hardest part of this job, which is the windshield. I'm using some Insta-Gel around the edges. That way it will reduce the amount of contamination we get. And it also helps that windshield stay in place when you first start to put the film on the glass. So right here I have my apprentice Jeremiah. He's helping me out. Two people definitely makes the windshield go a lot more smoothly. We're getting it all into place there, making sure we don't have any light gaps. And then we're going to start to use our tint brush to get the film all laid down to the glass. So that's what's going on here. And then after that, we'll do our soft pass squeegee. And while I'm doing this too, I have a soak rope in between the window and dash. That way it's going to catch all of that water that goes down in there. So it's not going to fry your electronics and do all that stuff. That soak rope absorbs all of that water down there. And then I have that towel up there on the dash. I actually put it into the dash when I do the cleaning process, but when I install, I pull it back a little bit. That way that tint adhesive doesn't pick up any fibers from that towel right there. So we want to make sure everything's nice and dry, which just wiping up any droplets of water that might have fell down. And now we're pushing the edges of the film because that water likes to flow back into the film. So I use my tri-edge and a towel just to make sure all that water is out of this film. And once the windshield is completed, the rest of the Model Y is a breeze. So right here I'm putting on that rear hatch window tint. This is a 50% Geoshield Pro Nano ceramic film because we're trying to turn the factory glass into 15%. So you can't just put straight 15 over the factory tint or it would be like 3%. So we just kind of match the percentages up. So 50 and 21 turns it into 15%. So that way the front and rear matches perfectly. Right here I'm just making sure that we don't have any light gaps and everything's aligned nice because we don't want a bunch of light shining through this tint. So that's what I'm doing right here. And we're just doing our checks on our edges, making sure it's super precise. We don't want to have any light in here, so that's kind of what I'm doing. And now we'll use our tri-edge to get that film underneath that gasket for the third brake light. And then we'll grab our tint brush and make sure we get all that tint pushed down onto the glass. And this tint brush, it just helps get the film on the glass without creasing it all up. You can just squeegee from this part, but every once in a while I would get creases, and that tint brush really helps prevent all of that. So now that the film's on the glass, I'm going to go ahead and squeegee this out, and we'll be good to go on this rear hatch. Just being really careful of the little defroster plugs right up there. And then once we get to the top, I'm going to have to switch to a PPF squeegee because it's pretty tight in there where that film meets the interior. So that's what I'm doing right here. I'm using my PPF squeegee to get that bottom edge right there. That way we can get all that water evacuated so we don't get a bunch of bubbles that have to cure out. And then this squeegee is a little bit harder and I'm pressing harder. This is called my hard pass. And since we have the film on the glass, this is going to get most of the remaining water bubbles out of that tint. And we are good to go. Perfect. So if you have kids or pets, doing a ceramic coating on your interior can really help prevent those white seats from getting stained. You know, if you get mud on paw prints or, your kid spills juice or you even spill your coffee, this ceramic coating for the interior is going to help prevent all those stains and make it super easy to clean. So that water's just kind of going to beat up if any liquid spills or if you have fabric or jeans, sometimes the blue dye can transfer over to the white seats. This is going to prevent most of that, and even if you do get it, it's going to be super easy to clean. And now that we've got the interior protected, now it's time to protect the exterior. So I'm just doing some clear PPF over the headlight right here, and then I'm also going to do the light bar, the door handles, and door edges. So this is another part of what's called the appearance package. The PPF goes over the door handles and the door edges. So that way if you open up your door into like a wall or another car or whatever, it's going to prevent that paint from getting chipped and scratched up. It's a good, nice, PPF strip there on the edges. It's super durable. You can hit it pretty hard and it's not going to damage your paint. It self-heals, so if you get a little scratch, leave it out in the sun and it's going to be nice and glossy and smooth again. So we're just putting that here on the door edge, and we'll be good to go and protect it on this door right here. And right here I'm just cutting out the mirror patterns on the plotter. The PPF uses a different blade, but works really, really well. So the mirror, even though it's small, it's actually one of the harder pieces to PPF on a Tesla. So I'm just weeding out the pattern right here. I've got some Insta-Gel that I'm using because I do have to put quite a bit of stretch on the top part of this mirror. So you can see right there, I'm just kind of tacking down that back edge, and then we'll do that bottom piece right there, and then we'll stretch that top piece over the top. So this is all, everything's covered, the back, the side, the front, the edges, all that stuff's covered. And this just requires a lot of stretch, and when your hands are all slippy from the gel, it's more difficult than you would think to get that kind of stretched out and squeegeed down at the same time. But looks like we got everything into place there, and it's looking really good. And the last step, I'm just flushing everything out with some hot water, getting all that soap out of the edges and just making sure nothing's going to lift up in the future. So this customer has the best possible PPF install. So we're all wrapped up here with this Tesla Model Y, and this appearance package is a great value option if you want to maximize the amount of protection you get for the value of your dollar. This appearance package, I charge $350. You get the light bar, the headlights, the mirrors, the door handles, and all the door edges. It might sound like a lot, but the film's really expensive too. It's a 10-year film with ceramic built into it, so you don't have any extra fees to ceramic coat the PPF that I use. It's super hydrophobic, it's gonna clean up nice, and it just feels slick without anything on it. So that's what I really like about this film. And it's pretty clear and doesn't have a bunch of orange peel like some other films do. And it's not gonna turn yellow. So this thing looks absolutely awesome. If you own a Tesla in Las Vegas and you want ceramic tint, PPF, auto wrap, ceramic coating, paint correction, all that good stuff, detailing. If you want some detailing, we'll get Jeremiah on that for you. So he'll have your Tesla looking brand new. If you got dogs or kids or whatever and you just don't want to deal with it, bring it on over to Starbase Wraps and we've got you covered. So we'll catch you on the next Starbase Wraps video. Today I actually have 2 Model Ys that I'm doing in the same day for the first time. So it's going to be pandemonium here at Starbase Wraps while we're slinging tin on 2 Teslas. So have a good one. We'll catch you on the next video.